into Maryland. So now we're on East 140, and said we're headed towards Frederick because we're in Frederick County. So I think we're headed towards Frederick. This might be Emmitsburg. Not really sure. As usual, I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. I like being right. It doesn't happen very often, so I'm used to being wrong. And once again, we have a vlog about nothing. I'm trying to limp home on this tank of gas, but it may not happen. What are we at? 82 miles to empty, and I think we have 65 miles of riding left to do. So I don't know. I guess we are heading to Gettysburg. Huh. Interesting. That sign said to the right goes to Frederick, straight ahead goes to Gettysburg, and I might get rained on. Well, I guess we're not going to Gettysburg. We're going to Taneytown. It is spelled Taneytown, but it comes out as it's pronounced Taneytown. I chickened out. It said I had about 70 miles to empty, and I said, that's not enough. We're filled up, got 291 miles of range, and probably 60 miles to go till I'm home. All right, we are approaching Pleasant Valley Road South, or Pleasant Val. I don't know who Val is, but I guess she's pleasant. But this is our cut through back to the route that the GPS originally wanted us to take. And it's like it's an overgrown alley with a restaurant. What is that? Oh, it's not a restaurant. Maybe it is. No idea what that is. Oh, it's a pool and spa sale place. Boy, I'm an idiot. But you knew that. And if you like watching idiots on YouTube, go ahead and click that subscribe button while you're doing it. While you're watching this video. Not while you're doing it. If you're doing it and watching this video, then I have completely missed my target demographic. And hey, it's like highway-ish. All right, skip. I think I know where I am. Huh, shocker. It's like a first, right? Normally your old buddy John is just lost, but today I'm on 140 and I'm gonna hit some roads I know. Yeah, we are on the west side of where I went to Littlestown, PA, not too long ago. That's a lot of noise from a four-banger. Then again, I'm on a V-twin that makes a lot of noise, so who am I to judge? Boy, that Jeep is certainly tailgating that RV. Nah, I'm kidding, it's plugged in. But that black F-150 over there reminds me of a Lariat black F-150 I had, and I put those same exact wheels on it. And F-150 aficionados will be able to tell that those are 2011 to 2012 wheels because they don't have notches cut in around the spokes. Ah, truck nerd alert. Ah, the old train tracks across Georgia Avenue with the squiggly lines and the 20 miles an hour sign. Oh, you know that good times are ahead. And these guys seem to actually be doing a good pace today. So we should be able to get some nice footage leaned over in the corner. Ooh. Ooh. Oops. That was bumpier than I thought. But anyway, this is really cool for here. I like this section. And coming uphill, I don't know if it's better or worse than going downhill. If you watched my Littlestown videos, you saw me going downhill through here, and now I'm going uphill. Which looks better? Both directions are fun to ride. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got through there real nice. Didn't scrape any hard parts though. Nope, sure did not. But that was a lot of fun. That right there, folks, is like #1 on my list of reasons why I ride a bike. Maybe it's not #1. Maybe it's like #3. I think #1 is just the feeling of freedom and the open road, the wind in my face. And #2 is one of those 3 reasons. And #3 is corners like that. That just makes life worth living right there. Your heart rate goes up a tick, but it's just so much fun. We're done with the highway stretch. Well, highway speed stretch anyway. And now we're onto the slower section, I think. I mean, the next few minutes will be 50 mile an hour, but after that it's going to slow down real good. A side benefit to stopping here is that I get to warm my hands up a little bit. Boy, it's really chilly today. My hands cannot get warm. All right. Given that this section of Georgia Avenue is called Roxbury Mills Road, I should have called this video A Day at the Roxbury. You think Lorne Michaels would come after me? Boy, that was a lot of fun. Oh, rip. Boy, that'll get your engine pumping. Too much fun, drill sergeant. Woo! I was really giving her the beans there for a little bit. Here's another fun couple of corners. They sort of remind me of Mazda Raceway Laguna Seca, the corkscrew, but it's Maryland. And it's also not a racetrack, it's a road. Well, folks, we are getting close to home. I'm going to leave this video here. And once again, motorcyclists, we get the raw deal here. We get the uneven pavement and uneven speech apparently too. And that is the beauty of having a single track bike here. I can avoid most of the undulations in the road by clever positioning of the bike in the lane. If you like this series, give it a like. If you liked more than one part of it, consider subscribing. And until I see you again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, keep the shiny side up. Ta-da!